Good morning, students. I am NK Jha from APS. As we know that in second book, moments we have studied the lost child. Very interesting story this was, and we have already looked and followed the circumstances of the boy, and we have understood the behavior of his parents. So according to Mulk Raj Anand, the little child wants each and everything whatever he saw in the fair, like toys, balloons, chocolates, sweets, and flowers, and finally he wants to express his views in bold manner in front of the parents that we have to swing on boat, and there he had already lost himself, but at that time he couldn't find the answer. He couldn't find any kind of answer. He became so surprised and began to search his parents, but he couldn't find. So this was the first part, what is occurred with the little child, but on the other hand, he searched his parents here and there, but he couldn't find, and he began to cry. And at the same time, and in the process of searching, the boy got himself on the gate, and near the gate of temple there are a lot of crowd. And he faced a lot of problem there, and he used to cry, he used to weep. In the middle of the crowd, all of a sudden a person is looking the little child, and he lifted the boy in his arms. And he began to ask about the identification of the little child. And finally he got the boy is too fearful. So the gentleman also tried to make out the little child. You can take it anything in the fair. And most of the time he tried to expostulate little boy, but little boy was only one answer. Only I want my mom and papa, mummy and papa. That means parents. So through the story of the little child, which is already composed by great author Mulk Raj Anand, character sketch and described about the boy's condition and his father condition. How his father used to refuse whenever he wants anything in the fair. So sometimes he used to think, if I will tell to my father I want this, then my father and my parents will think that I am very greedy and I want each and everything from fair, whatever I see in the fair, in the show. So these are the story and you have understood, and I have already told you. You have to discuss and describe the question answer. I have no any idea about that you have discussed or not. If you have discussed, then no any problem. Once again, I want to describe all those questions. That means I want to give you help, and according to that hint and helps, you have to describe and have to understand and have to check yourself. You are able to write questions and answer according to the nature of question and what is the real meaning of the question, and according to the question theme, your answer is right or wrong. You have to check yourself, because chapter after chapter I am finishing. No, so think about that. If you are not dealing it, you are not expressing your power after understanding the story of this, then a lot of problem will be raised in your future, and you will be in great problem. At that time you will tell to the teacher, sir, I am not understanding what you are telling. So it's not right idea. So try to labor hard and have to understand and express your view. So according to Mulk Raj Anand, number 1 question tells, what are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? Why does he lag behind? मतलब कि जब फेयर के रास्ते पे वो था, जा रहा था, तो उसने कौन कौन से चीज़ को देखा और वह पीछे क्यों रह जाता था? बहुत सारे चीज़ देखे थे उसने। तो जैसे कि बैलून देखे थे, गुलाब जामुन खाने का कोशिश किया था, डिमांड करने का कोशिश किया था, गुलमोहर का फूल देखा था, फाइनली उसने राउंड बोट पे जाने का कोशिश किया था। सो यू हैव टू एक्सप्रेस ऑल दोज क्राइटेरिया एंड ऑल दोज कंडीशंस व्हिच इज हेल्ड एट दैट टाइम। क्लियर? एंड दैट वाज द मेन रीजन ही fascinates to see the toys, to see the shop, because it attracts more and more to the little child. Understand? So that was the first answers of the questions which is containing in your book. Number 2, in the fair he wants many things. What are they? मेला में उसने बहुत सारी चीज़ को देखा, चाहा। What are they? वह क्या था? वे सब क्या थे? You have to put and mention the name. Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? Because he knows the behavior of his parents, and in his brain the little child wants to express the negativity of his father. That means he knows the answer of his parents. He will or they will not buy and purchase for the boy. So number 2 questions answer. Number 3, when does, but एक चीज़ याद रहे कि आपका आंसर प्रेजेंट में होना चाहिए, because all these questions are containing from present tense, so your answer should be in present. Clear? Number 3, when does he realize that he has lost his way? उसने कब उसे महसूस हुआ कि वह खो गया है? तो राउंड बोट के पास उसे महसूस हुआ कि वह खो गया है, क्योंकि वहीं से उसको उसके मम्मी और पापा को सर्च करना शुरू किया और वो फाइंड नहीं कर पाया। ओके, सो दिस इज द मेन पॉइंट, एंड यू हैव टू डिस्क्राइब ऑल अबाउट द सिचुएशन नियर राउंड बोट एंड व्हाट हैपेंड. You have to write and you have to express how have this his anxiety and insecurity been described, और फिर उसके साथ किस तरह का कंडीशन उत्पन्न हुआ वहाँ से. तो आपने देखा कि वह रोने लगा और बहुत घबरा सा गया, क्योंकि छोटा सा बच्चा था, क्योंकि उसके मम्मी पापा मिल नहीं रहे थे. तो वह इधर से उधर खोजता रहा अपने मम्मी पापा को, फिर भी उसे नहीं मिले, और फाइनली वह बहुत ज़ोर ज़ोर से रोने लगा, और अंततः हुआ मंदिर के गेट पर पहुंच करके, और उसे एक आदमी जो है सो अपने हाथ में उठा लेता है और फिर आइडेंटिफिकेशन करना शुरू करता है. जैसा कि हम आप भी करते हैं। कोई बच्चा खो जाता है, छोटा सा बच्चा रहता है, तो उसे कुछ कुछ दे करके जिस बात के लिए वो रोते रहता है, उस बात से उसका ब्रेन को हटाने की कोशिश करते हैं कि कम से कम बच्चा भूल जाए और रोना बंद करे। नो, सो दिस सर्कमस्टेंसेज will give you a lot of help, and through help you can express your view, and according to the question your answer, you have to write your answer. Number 4, why does the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? मतलब बच्चा जो है जो भी चीज़ चाहता था अब उसका इंटरेस्ट उसमें नहीं रहा। क्यों? जब वो पहले जो सामान सब चाहता था, जहाँ देखता था अपने मम्मी को बोलता था बैलून चाहिए, अपने पापा को बोलता था बैलून चाहिए, मिठाई चाहिए, बर्फ़ी चाहिए, गुलमोहर का फूल चाहिए, स्विंग पर झूलना है, ये सब बातें जो है सो बच्चा के मन में था। ही एक्सप्रेसेस हिज डिजायर इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिज फादर एंड मदर, बट अब जो है सो वह इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। क्यों? तो वह खो गया था और उसके जो विश थे, उसके जो डिमांड थे, ओनली पेरेंट्स थे और वह अपने पेरेंट्स से मिलना चाहता था। सो ही इज इग्नोरिंग ऑल दोज थिंग्स व्हाट ही वांट्स इन अर्लियर। ओके, तो जो वह पहले चाहता था उस सब सामान को अब वो नहीं चाहता। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाट डू यू थिंक हैपन्स इन द एंड? डज द चाइल्ड फाइंड हिज पेरेंट्स? क्या आप सोचते हो या क्या आप इसके ऊपर विचार कर सकते हो कि डज द चाइल्ड फाइंड हिज पेरेंट्स, कि बच्चा अपने पेरेंट्स को मिल पाया है या बच्चा से उसका पेरेंट्स मिल जाता है? इफ़ यस, then have to write. If no, then have to write it. Okay, so I will wait for your answer, for your discussion. If you will not describe it regularly and properly, then in next class I will start the adventures of Toto, and after that if answer and discussion is not present on your school WhatsApp, then the topic will be changed and I will start the grammar part, because 2 chapters I have already finished in first books, I am right, and this will be the second chapter in second book. So I mean to say 4th chapter is the big part, is a big part, because from here the question will be in examination and you are not tackling it very nicely, then I mean to say, and according to me, you will have a lot of problem, and in all circumstances I will have to finish it, otherwise you will leave the question in examination and you will have a lack of belief and lack of concentration and lack of hard work. So take care of yourself and always try to solve all those problems, all those questions which is containing from your textbook, because it will more and more help you in future whenever you will express your question, answer, and you will write the description of the story of that particular lesson. Okay, thanks.